In today's video, we're going to talk about CloudWays, which is a cloud web hosting service, enabling you to get super fast hosting at a fraction of the price. Let's dive into today's video, guys. So here we are over on CloudWays, link down below in the description. Unleash the power of managed cloud hosting, trusted by over 80,000 people worldwide. So you obviously know that this is a reputable service. They do offer a 3-day free trial. We can start without a credit card, and then we will look at the other plans and things later on. Coming down to the possibilities then, guys. Super simple and saving time. Okay, so staging environment, managing a backup, installing free SSL, which is obviously essential for security and improving the way that your website runs. Performance without bounds, fully optimized with a built-in advanced cache, ensuring peak website performance, resulting in faster growth and less frustration. Now, this is important because many people nowadays have no patience because of things like TikTok basically training your brain to be impatient. So if your website is at all slow, people will click off it, and that will ultimately lose you clients, lose you sales, etc. So it's important that your website runs as fast as possible. And there's also flexibility that adapts with 5 different cloud providers: DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, etc. And they're also unlimited websites. You can build websites on WordPress, PHP, and any plan that gives you the freedom and control over your vision. It enables you to launch your website extremely fast in just a few minutes, just by running through the back end of WordPress, and this will be done very, very seamlessly. And even if you are completely novice to this, it's made very intuitive and easy to follow. And you can see here's a video here just showing you exactly how to do it in the back end, and literally you can see it happening in just a few moments there. It's also very easy to manage your team and also to scale your website with ironclad security and one-click scaling, which will let you grow your business without bounds. Another very cool feature is the 24/7 expert support. So if you've got any problems at all with your website, then you can hit up their support and they'll be in touch with you straight away in order to ensure that your website is back up and running as soon as possible. Now, if we jump into the pricing, it's significantly cheaper than the other alternatives out there, such as Kinsta, because you could either do monthly like here, or you could do hourly, which is like a pay-as-you-go web hosting service, which is very cool, guys, because you can try out different types to see what suits best for your website and then decide whether or not you want to use this or not. If we click on the monthly, you can see they pretty much all come with a start free membership, with the exception of the top version here. But you can see from monthly, they start at $12 per month. That will give you a RAM of 1 gig, processing 1 core, 25 gigs of storage, and then 1 terabyte of bandwidth. And then as you move up through, basically you're increasing the RAM, and the storage sees sort of the most difference. And then once you get to the top version, you're looking at 8 gigabyte of RAM, 4 core processors, 160 gigabytes of storage, and 5 terabytes of bandwidth. But they all come with the same add-ons, okay? That's things like free migration, which is obviously very important, because if you're non-technical like me, it's very important that someone is going to be able to do that for you and make that as seamless as possible. 24/7, 365 days of the year support, and various other things that are all found down through this list. Okay, so very, very cool, guys. See at the top, you got different versions, okay? They do come at different prices depending on which one you go with. DigitalOcean, you can see, is the cheap one here. And you can see you can only pay for what you use. So if you don't use, so for example, if you pay for this version, okay, but you don't really end up using most of this stuff, then it will reduce the amount of cost that you've been paying, which is what makes it so affordable compared to others out there. Now, if you're new to building websites on WordPress, it can be quite challenging, but Astra is a free template over on WordPress that makes building your website extremely easy. There are loads of add-ons, etc., that you can do with the Astra platform, which does add to the cost, but there is a deal where you can go with CloudWays and you'll be able to get Astra for absolutely free. And that enables you to set up an amazing website extremely easily. You can see powerful performance and ease of use in a 1 click. And this makes it extremely quick and easy to build a very good quality website with all of the important backend stuff built in, such as incredible performance, the expert support, and ultimate security. And you can come down below and find out more information about this. And as you go through CloudWays, you'll also get a fantastic deal because they've partnered up with DigitalOcean to offer a package together. Now, if you look into the features, we can see all of the different areas in which CloudWays excels. But I want to focus on a few of these, okay? So safe updates for WordPress. Safe updates add-on automatically detects, tests, and performs plugin and theme core updates for you, keeping your website secure and running at all times. This is very cool and will save you lots of hours of work and dollars over a month, because unless you can do the work yourself, you're going to have to hire people to come and update your website. But this is great because it's all going to happen automatically for you. There's There's also free migration. So with the migration plugin tool, it's literally one-click migration across from an old server to a new one, and this is absolutely free as well. You'll also get the new Relic tool for absolutely free, which is an application performance and management system used by teams for application monitoring. The idea is to maximize productivity and minimize downtime by monitoring application stats that indicate overall application performance. And this is integrated into CloudWays platform already and can be accessed through the server dashboard. And there's a little instruction here on how to do that, which you can find through the website itself. But you can see it's just over in the management services, and then you come down to where it says new relic, and then you can see it's running. And then here it says disable. You can just set that to enable, and then it's going to run for you. Another cool thing is you'll get Elastic email add-on as well, guys, which is a super fast and reliable email delivery service for sending marketing and transactional emails. And here's an example of how to use it. Okay, so basically when someone purchases something, it will send them an email. It does various other features, so depending on how that person responds to that email, it can send them another one, and lots of other ways that this can be used. And if you come down through, it's going to give you examples of the different types of packages that you can use, and it's going to show you all of the different ways to set this up through your WordPress website. And it can be done extremely quickly, guys, by just activating the Elastic email add-on, verifying your domain, testing the SMTP configuration, and then the Elastic email logs, all of which have detailed instructions on how to achieve that here. What's cool is CloudWays has also partnered up with Cloudflare Enterprises, so no more worries for mission critical websites. This partnership has allowed them to now provide things like extra support, extra freedom of choice and simplicity, as well as high levels of security. You can come down through and see all of the other things that they've basically been added on, such as supercharged site performance, various mitigation and firewalls, protection of revenue and reputation. And through the plugin application, it's super easy to understand how it all works and to use. And it comes with all of these extra benefits, which you can see down below available here, depending on the amount of domains that you want. These are like the prices per domain as well. The tiered cache delivery system ensures that your content is delivered worldwide extremely quickly with no lagging at all. You'll also get the Object Cache Pro, which speeds up your WordPress application, which sometimes can be annoying because the plugin that you want to use might really add to the usability of the website, but if it starts to slow it down, then you're going to lose out in another way. Here, you don't have to do that by using this system. And here you can also configure the Breeze WordPress cache plugin. Now this is going to analyze your website to understand anywhere that's causing a bit of like extra loading time, etc. And it's going to try and make it as efficient and fast as possible, which is going to optimize your website for massive performance gains going forward. And here you can come and see all of the different features that are associated with this, as well as everything I've talked about, which is all found through the links down below in the description. In summary, guys, if you want a pay-as-you-go, ultra affordable, but ultra high performance, fast, high security web hosting service, then look no further than CloudWays. You're going to get tons of extra free stuff that's going to help boost the performance of your website. And ultimately that's better for your customer experiences to ensure, one, you're going to get more sales, you're going to get more customer signups, and this is also going to help your reputation as a business going forward. So make sure you go and find it all linked down below in the description. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, hit the thumbs up button for me. And if you're new to the channel, you want to find out more about some incredible digital products, then hit subscribe, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye bye.